Hello friends, what's up? How are you? And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. So before starting this video, I request you please kindly subscribe my channel. As you can see now on the screen, a lot of people not subscribing my channel. As you can see here, 93.8% people are not subscribing my channel. So kindly please subscribe now our channel and kindly support us. I will update every hour every cryptocurrencies news. So let's see the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours you are watching now. Oh my god, they gone wrong. As you can see here, negative 1.22% change in the XRP Ripple coin, and the high price of XRP coin is the $0.484301 is the high price of XRP Ripple. Now the current price of XRP Ripple is $0.478392 is the current price of XRP coin, and the Bitcoin price of XRP is 0.000009. That is the Bitcoin price of XRP. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hours you are watching now. So let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Last 1 hour price prediction you are watching now. Oh my god, oh my god. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. They are gone good. As you can see here, that is the jumping time of XRP Ripple coin. The change is positive 1.18%, and the high price is $0.478754. Now the current price of XRP is 0.477438. So that is the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. Now at this time again they are fast downing. As you can see here on the graph, they again start fast downing. So that is the live price prediction of XRP coin. Please kindly subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.